early summer like this, I'm usually hoping to get in some good dry fly fishing. Hatch hasn't started quite yet, so I'm going to see if I can get one going, just nymphing. I'm using a nymph that imitates the mayflies that I've seen hatching here in recent nights. Got it on the end of a super light tippet, 6X fluorocarbon. Small split shot, about 18 inches above it. And I like to use a pretty good sized strike indicator. I just like a round fork like that. And 9'5" or 6-weight rod. With warmer weather, a lot of times the fish will be in that fastest water up there where it's the most oxygenated and where there's often the most food too. Let's see if I can get one. Trout in here, really nice and hard. Hey, it's not done yet. Slippery. Let's get a look at him here. Not real big, about a foot long or so. That's how easy nymph fishing can be.